Hi, my name is Evgeniy. I am an artist from Moscow, living in Barcelona. For me, as a teacher, main challenge is to create courses that allow to teach drawing any person, regardless of skills. And now I am happy to introduce my new course, Portrait Sketching Easy. This course is designed in such a way that everybody can master portrait sketching skills, applying some effort and attention, of course. What you get at the end of the course? You'll be able to draw recognizable portraits in two main positions, full face and profile view. In a classical way, you first have to study anatomy, structure, shading techniques, the basics of perspective, and only then you can start to draw human head. But in fact, we don't need anatomy or perspective for sketching in two main positions. They are simple enough. Our classes generally will be focused on main proportions of a human head and specific features responsible for portrait similarity. So I invite you to join and try out Portrait Sketching Easy. See you soon. Bye bye.